One of the things that we think about when informing best practices for groups, teams, organizations, and looking at decisions with data are the things you're measuring directly correlated or directly related to the things you're trying to accomplish.
So the first questions that we ask a client when we're beginning to start working with them is, like, how will this data be used? What kind of decisions are you needing to make? Normally, when we meet with a client and everything, we really have to pinpoint what they want, so we have a straight shot forward.
One of the things that we really emphasize companies should do is at the very outset of a decision-making process is set your baseline, right? And set it to something that you are going to measure, things you're already measuring in your finances or things that are already out there. And then let's use those correlated measures to then see how your decision impacts those for better or for worse.
So, and a lot of the benefits that they can see are confidence in their data and knowing that the answers they have in front of them are correct.